Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
The
So we continue our Lenten journey and we are now on the second week, Monday of the season of Lent. And I hope that our readings, particularly the Gospel of today, will help us change better our relationship to one another. And of course, how we view our loving God, how He relates with us. In the in the old days, if you are late to a gathering, you miss part of the topic being discussed. Di ba? Pag late ka doon sa gathering, you miss part of the topic na pinag-uusapan. Noon yon. Pero ngayon po, if you arrive late, you are the topic. And upon your arrival, there will be a change of topic. My dear brothers and sisters, one of the favorite pastimes of people nowadays is talking about others. Tama po ba? And all of us are guilty of this. And when people talk about others, the usual topic is what is bad in them. Highlighted are their weaknesses, their faults, their mistakes, their physical and or behavior and character defects, and their sinfulness. In other words, what is not good in them. Their virtues, their respectable traits, and their virtuous assets are relegated to the background. No? All of us are guilty of this. That's why in our gospel for today, Jesus is proposing another way of looking at people. Not with a judgmental, condemning attitude, but with a compassionate heart. A person with compassion tries to understand the other not from his or her own perspective, but from the perspective of the other. That's why the word compassion comes from the Latin words cum, which means with, and patere, which means to suffer. To suffer with the other. And when one suffers with the other, one identifies with the other person's suffering and pain. In doing so, one comes to understand the person better and realizes why he or she is behaving that way. Thus, one becomes less prone to judging and condemning the other. So, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus is teaching us compassion, since this is the way God deals with us. Despite our sinfulness and selfishness, God looks at us with a compassionate heart. God relates to us without setting any conditions and without any biases. Just pure understanding and love. Kaya next time po that we are with people or in a gathering, if we are talking about other people's faults, let us pause and let us steer the conversation into his or her good qualities, or even let us point out to them the difficulties the others is undergoing. Because this is one way, even great way, to show compassion towards one another. Be merciful as the Father is merciful to us.